Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Disney Plus subscription. There are many ways to do this depending on whatever you are using, iOS or Android, but the easiest way that you can achieve this is by simply going to your browser, going to disneyplus.com website and make sure you are signed into the account which you are like to cancel the subscription. Of course, if you have multiple account profile, just select the primary account holder's avatar here. Now once you do that, if you look at the very top right hand side, you will be able to find your profile icon. So make sure to tap on the profile icon from the very top right hand side, and under it you will find the another option here known as account. So you want to make sure to tap the account option. As you tap on the account option here, if you look over here, you should be able to see the billing details option. So right here you should be able to see billing details. Make sure to tap on it. You can see I have an active subscription. When you do that, the final option you will find at the bottom over here is the option known as cancel subscription. So just make sure to click the cancel subscription option and just confirm that you wish to cancel your account by clicking the red complete cancellation button as well. And once you've done that, if they ask you for a survey, you can go ahead and then complete that survey. But to give you a basic context, this way you will be able to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.